Hi guys, DawesomeGuy22, and if you've seen my previous videos, I am using Google Chrome. It is an amazing browser. It's clearly the best. And built in with Chrome, when you open it here, is the web store. So I'm just going to show you guys some good web apps and plugins. First, I'm just going to go over the web apps. So first one's going to be Writespace. What Writespace does is you can type in whatever you want, like so. If you want to remind yourself with a note or something, even if you close the browser, if you come back 5 days later after closing it, you've never used Chrome, it's still going to be saved there. Even when you're offline, Chrome, it's going to be there. So right now, if you go back into Writespace, that stuff's still there. Next thing is stopwatch/timer. This is very simple. It's the same thing. Basically, you can just start the stopwatch. As it says, stopwatch will keep running even if you close your browser. Even if I close my browser, open it up, this will keep counting even if you're offline. It'll just keep counting. So that's pretty cool. Next, I would have to say is Plants vs Zombies. And it's just chrome.plantsvszombies.com. Again, you will find it in the App Store if you just search Plants vs Zombies. And yeah, it's just a game basically online for free. Start adventure. You can play that. The other thing is Angry Birds. Same thing, chrome.angrybirds.com. And you guys know Angry Birds. It's just, yeah. I don't use these two too much because I actually have the full HD version of Angry Birds and Plants vs Zombies downloaded on my... Yeah. So, anyway, Angry Birds, you can just play, poached eggs. You guys know, it's the regular Angry Birds. And last of the Chrome apps is Entanglement. I'm just going to wait for this to load. This is a pretty fun game. It's pretty cool. You can do it a lot when you get bored. And what you do is you just want to continue the line. So here, there's a line. You can rotate the thing. So here, that line continues. You click there. It'll make the line. And you just keep making the line until you lose. Boop. And yeah, that's the whole game basically. Next, up to the widgets here. First is going to be Glow. And what Glow does is, you can, instead of having Google there, you can write your own words. Obviously, I put subscribe because you all should subscribe. DawesomeGuy22, subscribe. Anyway, it'll take place of Google. And I'll show you how it does that. So right here, as it's here, it says subscribe. So yeah. And whenever I search, right down there, subscribe instead of Google. Next is going to have to be the iPhone App Store. Again, you can search all of these in the Chrome web store. They will all be there. So on iPhone App Store, all it does is, it just has an App Store basically. Categories, top 25. I don't know why it's taking long to load, but you can't buy them off here, but you can just click on it and it'll show you the description, some pictures, and it's kind of like an app store. It's just you can buy stuff. Yeah, see, just like that. It'll have a picture and it's a description. Next is going to have to be Note Anywhere. So I'm just going to go to YouTube and I can add a note right there. It's just going to say upload vid. So say I just wanted to remind myself to upload the vid. Even if I close over here, that note will always be on that web page unless I take it off. So I find that pretty cool. It's always going to be there. As you see now, I'll go back to YouTube for a sec. And it is still there. Upload vid. I'm just going to take it off right now. Okay, and next is this IS. It's called Create Slideshow, and it's just for viewing images in bigger picture HD. So I'm just going to go to images. I'm just going to search something random here, flowers, whatever. You can just click on IS. It'll show how many pictures are on the web page, and with the arrow keys, you can just scroll through the pictures, and it'll be bigger than the regular Google images. Okay. And next up is Click and Clean. Say you go to some website that might have malware or some viruses or anything, you can just, when you close it, it'll when you close your browser, it will automatically ask you here if you want to clean it up right there. And that's just going to clear your browsing history of the past of what you've been doing that session. So now if I go back to my history here, it's blank because, yeah, all the stuff, it just clears it out. Okay, I am pretty sure that's almost it. And yes, this will work for Mac OS X and PC. You just need Google Chrome. Okay, the last one is this. That. And how you do this is, okay, so as you see, the little thing's rotating, and if you press the up arrow, it'll move around, and you can literally just destroy the web page. If you press spacebar, it'll shoot. You say maps went away, shopping went away. I can take out the S and subscribe, U and subscribe. You can just kill everything, basically. If you also want to do, so you can go around, have fun shooting things. I'm just going to kill the Google search. There, boom. And if you want, you can just spin around and press the spacebar. It'll go around and kill everything. So that's pretty fun. And yeah, whenever you're bored, just go to, this should work for any web page other than your home page. It will not work, and Gmail, it will not work. I do not know why, but any other page, it should. If I just go to my library here, any page, it will just start killing stuff. Okay. That is it. If you guys see, I have pinball here on Windows 7. I also have a moving background. It's animated. If you guys want to know how to get the pinball animated, a bunch of other stuff, check out my channel, awesomeguy22. Like, rate, subscribe. Bye.